The 1970 Dodge Charger is one of the most iconic muscle cars of all time. With its sleek design, powerful engine, and aggressive stance, it's no wonder that the Charger has become a symbol of American muscle. The 1970 Charger was available in a variety of styles and body types, but the most popular was the two-door hardtop coupe. The Charger featured a long, sleek hood, a fastback roofline, and a distinctive split grille. The car was also available with a variety of powerful V8 engines, including the legendary 426 Hemi. In the Fast and Furious movies, Vin Diesel's character, Dominic Toretto, drives a black 1970 Dodge Charger. Toretto's Charger is one of the most iconic cars in the movie franchise, and it has been featured in many of the Fast and Furious films. The 1970 Dodge Charger has had a major impact on American culture. The car has been featured in countless movies, TV shows, and video games. It has also been the subject of many songs and poems. The 1970 Dodge Charger is a true American muscle car icon. With its sleek design, powerful engine, and aggressive stance, the Charger continues to captivate car enthusiasts around the world.